The kit, you're going to get these two plates. One of them has nuts already welded on, and these bolts. You're going to sandwich them together. This is what it's going to be like when it's installed in the car. So then we can use these to determine where we want to weld these to the sheet metal. Wow.
Yeah.
So we're going to drill those two holes.
Yep.
And that's just to make sure the nut's clear?
Yep, just to clear the nuts so we can weld flush the sheet metal. Take the paint off.
So we got the area around where we're going to weld all cleaned up, free of paint, and that'll make it easier to weld. So right now we're just notching out the tube.
Yeah, we're going to get the tube perfect.
Here's our first seat rail tacked up out of the car. Now going to weld the rest of the plate in.
Yeah, we're gonna bolt the tacked bracket back in and weld as much as possible with it bolted in to reduce distortion, and then we'll take it off and finish anything we can't reach.
So just trying to get this perfectly level.
Yeah, just as close as we can get it. Close to 0.1 is more than sufficient. Oh, there it is, 0. It's about 14 3/8. 13 7/8.
So we're just trying to make a template to fill out the gap here.
Yep, just gonna make a little piece of 16 gauge sheet metal to wrap around this. Should be good to go.
Here's a little piece got made. Therefore, you can actually have a pretty solid mounting point for this back bar.